Hello beautiful people. In this video, I'll show you how to make this smart Braille reader using Arduino. To build this project, you need Arduino Uno, mini speaker, OLED display, buttons, DF player, and few jumper cables. To begin with, I will design frame for this project using Tinkercad. You can find links to these STLs in the description box below. Slice the model using slicing software and follow these settings as shown in the screen. Print the parts with your favorite colored PLA filaments. Refer the circuit diagram to make connections. I will first make a prototype with breadboard to check if everything works fine. For the audio, you need to create a folder by the name MP3 inside your SD card and copy these audio files. You can get this on the description box below. After you verify the circuit is working, you can shrink the circuit with the help of PCB. I will be using 0 PCB to shrink the circuit. Follow these steps to have a simplified circuit for this project. After you have the circuit, arrange all the components inside the box. I have given extra space so that if you use jumper cables, there will be enough room. Now to use this project, I will refer the standard Braille code or font as some would call. Press the dots and enter. You will hear a name of the alphabet. You can see the word formation on side of this OLED module. You can later clear to enter other new words. This was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.